As the years they go, we dey work for dough. Some days it's fast, some days it's slow. Many highs and lows, but
my name is Babalola. I'm the Chief Strategy and Innovation Officer of MTN Nigeria. And we are here at the wedding of Paul and Loveth to surprise them with a little gift from MTN as part of our YelloTide season of surprises. See you inside.
Everywhere you go, go, go. Everybody go, lo, lo, lo. We go enjoy, so we go celebrate.
Say yellow, yellow Christmas, so we celebrate. When you hear the
It's an honor to be here with you, and today we are joining you to celebrate the union of Loveth and Paul. At MTN, we believe that love is the ultimate connection. Nothing brings us more joy than being part of this beautiful moment with you. Out of almost 700 applicants, you are one of the successful couples. We're very pleased and we're very proud. Congratulations. Okay. As part of our YelloTide season of surprises, we are delighted to present you with this check, courtesy of our Momo, and also Marcia champagne for your guests. Okay.
We have chosen this couple to start their journey with them. And to this we take a toast in the name of the Father. Amen. Cheers to the bride and groom. To the bride and groom. To the bride and groom.
Yellow Wedding is part of our YelloTide season of surprises. We feel that Nigerians have been through a very difficult year, but Nigerians are very resilient. And so we decided that in the spirit of giving, the spirit of unity and joy, we wanted to surprise as many Nigerians as possible. And that's why we were inspired, along with the Yellow Wedding and other things that we're doing for Nigerians, just to give back to the country and to our people at this time.
So all what happens today is by the mercy of God. God sees our hearts. Even when they told me about the MTN stuff, if not until today, I never believed. The surprise is so huge. And I'm not taking MTN for granted. I do appreciate, and I'm praying that MTN will grow more than what they expect.